This is feedback for Mashael on her IC1. So generally really good. Just a few things. ACA, this means academic. Saying things like we is not really academic. Talk about it is well known. People believe. Talk about like things like that. That's what intro language. And then here you say, so you're missing a word here. That needs to go there. Then down to your body paragraph. This is really short. I think you need to do a lot better. I know you're a very smart student and you can think of some more ideas. You need to give some examples in here. This is a spelling error. This is not how you spell this word. And then just generally, you need to think about when you're writing is give the result of what you're saying. So always bring the result back to what you're saying. So if you're saying the fact of is mental problems, give an example and then say this consequently, therefore, so this shows how that leads to cell phones lead to mental problems. Also give a concluding sentence. That's what SC is for. CS is for. So restate your topic sentence backwards. Same thing with this body paragraph. You need to make a point first instead of going straight to an example. Here I was like, is this a point or is this an example? Also, you're missing a word here. Talk about they don't know online. Talk to real people in real life. So I think your point you're trying to say, this is really an example. What you're trying to say is they don't know how to talk to people in real life. And then you should give an example of that. Explain what you're saying here. Give an example here. Give a concluding sentence here. So like I was saying, like what you can say is good. And then conclusion looks pretty good. So make the changes and then upload it to port 1 IC week 9.